a dramatic, warm-toned, cinematic photograph of four women from the Bible, Ruth, Deborah, Esther, and Mary, standing together in a majestic, ancient-inspired setting, with intricate stone walls, ornate tapestries, and subtle, golden lighting, each woman unique in their attire, hairstyle, and facial features. Ruth with a gentle, radiant smile, Deborah with a strong, determined gaze, Esther with an elegant, refined beauty, and Mary with a serene, loving expression, their skin tones ranging from soft olive complexions to rich, dark brown, each dressed in flowing, earth-toned robes with intricate embroidery, adorned with subtle, shimmering jewelry, their eyes shining with wisdom, compassion, and strength, standing together in unity and solidarity, conveying a sense of empowerment, faith, and sisterhood.
Join me as I dive into the lives of the women of the Bible and challenge myself to uncover 50 shocking facts you probably never knew. When we think of the Bible, we often think of male figures like Abraham, Moses, and Jesus, but what about the women? The mothers, sisters, and daughters who played crucial roles in shaping biblical history. Their stories, struggles, and triumphs are often overlooked, but today, we're going to change that. The truth is, the Bible is full of women who were leaders, prophets, and game-changers in their own right. From Deborah, who led the Israelites to victory in battle, to Esther, who saved the Jewish people from persecution, women played a vital role in the biblical narrative. But despite their significance, they are often relegated to the sidelines, their stories reduced to mere footnotes. It's time to shed some light on these incredible women and their remarkable stories. We're not just talking about a few token females, but a diverse cast of characters who shape the course of biblical history. From queens to prostitutes, from heroes to villains, women are an integral part of the Bible's rich tapestry. So, let's dive in and explore some of the most surprising facts about women in the Bible. You might be shocked at what you didn't know. Did you know that women like Huldah and Deborah were prophets in their own right, speaking God's words to the people of Israel? Or that the Bible tells the story of a woman named Jairus' daughter, who was raised from the dead by Jesus himself? These women, and many others like them, are hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. One of the most shocking facts about women in the Bible is the story of Tamar, who was wronged by her brother-in-law and yet still managed to outsmart him and secure her own destiny. Her bravery and cunning are an inspiration to us all. Or what about the story of Ruth, a foreigner who became part of the family of King David and eventually, the lineage of Jesus? But perhaps the most shocking fact of all is the story of the woman caught in adultery, who was about to be stoned to death, but was saved by Jesus' intervention. This story is often seen as a testament to Jesus' mercy and compassion, but what about the woman herself? What about her story, her struggles, and her triumphs? The women of the Bible are full of surprises, and we've only just scratched the surface. From the strong and the brave to the weak and the vulnerable, they are all part of a rich tapestry that deserves to be explored and celebrated. In conclusion, the women of the Bible are not just footnotes in the grand narrative of salvation history. They are heroes, leaders, and game-changers who shape the course of biblical history. Their stories are a testament to the power and resilience of women, and they deserve to be recognized and celebrated. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the lives of the women of the Bible. If you have a favorite biblical woman, share her story with me in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with more insightful content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.